Hello friends, welcome to Nalini Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make Alfredo sauce. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon button so that you get instant notification of all my upcoming and new recipes. Let's get started and look at the ingredients first. 50 grams butter, 50 grams all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons Parmesan cheese, 2 teaspoons garlic finely chopped, 1 teaspoon oregano. If you want, you can also use thyme or basil leaves, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, salt to taste and 300 ml milk. To start with, we'll put butter in a pan, garlic and saute until water evaporates. Now put all-purpose flour and saute for 1 to 2 minutes on low flame. Now add little milk at intervals and simultaneously keep mixing it to avoid lumps. Once the sauce thickens, we'll add salt, pepper, oregano and whisk well. Now add Parmesan cheese and mix well. Once the Parmesan cheese has dissolved, it means Alfredo sauce is ready to use. You can use this sauce to make lasagnas, pastas and baked dishes. I hope you like my recipe, and if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. I'll be back soon with many more new interesting, tasty and delicious recipes. Take very good care of yourself and your family. Stay healthy, happy and fit. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.